viewers, this is Zeni from Keep It Zeni. And listen, if you're not making shrimp tacos like these, you're missing out. Today, I'm going to share with you an ultimate shrimp taco recipe with homemade avocado crème sauce. Whether it's Taco Tuesday or any other day you're craving for tacos, these will hit the spot. Let's get started. Let's start with seasoning the shrimps. I took 1 pound of raw, deveined, tail off, wild caught shrimp. To these, let's add oil. I'm gonna save a little bit when we saute the shrimp. Salt and black pepper, garlic powder. You can also use 2 cloves of fresh garlic if you like, cumin and paprika. Give them a gentle toss. Next step, heat your shrimps on medium-high heat with some oil. Shrimp cook really fast, so you don't want to overcook them. Just 2 to 3 minutes per side till they turn pink and opaque. If you cook them for too long, they will become rubbery and you just want to eat juicy and tender shrimps. Just keep in mind, as long as the shrimp's color turn pink and opaque, it means they're ready to flip. And the shrimps are cooked. Let's dish them out. Shrimps are done. Set them aside while you prepare the rest of the ingredients. Step number 2. Let's make pico de gallo. For pico de gallo, you would need 1 chopped onion, 1 to 2 chopped tomatoes, handful of cilantro, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 juice of fresh lime, and 1 jalapeno. Put everything together and mix it well. Juice of fresh lime. Mix it together and now set it aside. Step number 3, avocado crème. For avocado crème, we will blend all of these ingredients into a blender or food processor, and these are cilantro, juice of fresh lime, sour cream, salt, garlic cloves, cumin seeds, and avocado. Let's blend them. And the main ingredient, avocado. These are really nice, ripe. Oh wow! And there we have it, the most creamiest avocado crème ready to assemble our ultimate shrimp tacos. Time to warm up tacos. Preheat your skillet on medium-high heat and warm up the corn tortillas for 30 seconds on each side. Let's assemble the tacos. I can't wait to try these. Pour this on top. Look at these beautiful colors. Squeezing a little bit of more lime to enhance the flavor even further. And here you have it, the ultimate shrimp tacos. And now my favorite part, taste test. Let's see if these shrimp tacos have lived up to the hype. Oh my gosh, the flavor, the spice, and the creamiest avocado crème. This is a game changer. You must try these, and when you do, tag me so I can see your taco skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more delicious recipes. And as always, keep it zany. Take care. Bye-bye.